Namaste. This is Pandit Sivaprasad Tata giving you Vedic Astrology lesson number 15, and in this we will be talking about the Sagittarius or Dhanu Rasi people, their looks, qualities, likes, dislikes, etc. etc. Okay. If a person's Lagna is Sagittarius or Dhanu, or Rasi or moon sign as we call it is Sagittarius, or sun sign is Sagittarius, they will have Sagittarius qualities. Looks wise, the people born in the Jupiter ruled fire sign are normally tall, well built, and quite proportionate in looks. They are fair complexioned with a high forehead, bright eyes, and a large nose, and they invariably have a impressive and charming personality. Nature-wise, they are strong-willed, courageous and ambitious people, and they are also quite independent by nature. They never get bogged down by a problem. They have respect for God and are religious and have interest in philosophy also, and they are sympathetic by nature also. But at times they can be quite rude also when provoked. They also believe in enjoying life to the full. They are very active and love open spaces and outdoor activities and sports, etc. etc. A Sagittarian is difficult to ignore no matter what he is up to. They also have a very impressive voice. Here you see Swami Vivekananda was born in Dhanu Lagna, Sagittarian ascendant, and his sun is also in the Sagittarius itself. See broad features, high forehead, bright eyes, big nose, okay, generally big and swarthy people, very impressive personalities. So far as profession and finance are concerned, normally professions related to law, teaching, research and foreign trade suit them very well. They also do well in public speaking jobs like TV anchor or any type of announcers and stuff like that. They take their job very seriously and do it quite well. And what is more important, they have plenty of energy and they work very hard. As a result, they will definitely do well in their chosen profession and rise to a very good level. So far as love and domestic life is concerned, with their looks and brains and success, the Sagittarians are never short of the company of the opposite sex. They make good sincere lovers, and the person who marries them rarely has any complaints. They make very dutiful parents, but times they can be a little too dominating. They are attracted to and get along well with the people born under the signs Aquarius, Aries, Gemini, Leo, and Libra. In general, the Sagittarians enjoy a sound health and enjoy life also, and because they are into outdoor activities and sports, health is never usually a problem for them. Namaste. I hope you enjoyed the presentation. You can visit my website www.astrojyoti.com and enjoy many of its unique features and useful astrological information like this. It is the only website in the world where you can listen to all the 4 Vedas online for free. You can read 18 major scriptures of Vedic astrology online and many articles on astrology, plus 200 Vedic scriptures also. You can also listen to 150 famous Vedic stotras in MP3 sung by the best artists of India. You can use a very accurate and informative Panchanga, which is there on the site, several free lessons to understand The basics of astrology are there. You can order your horoscope reading by expert astrologers. We also offer a 1-year course, which is an interactive astrology course taught live online in a virtual classroom of WebEx. You can also contact me by email at sptata@astrojyoti.com or phone my mobile numbers given here. And I hope if you enjoyed my presentation, you will like and share my website. Click on the subscribe button, which is the bell icon like this at the bottom of this video, so that you will be notified when the new lessons are uploaded. If you like this video, please click on the like button. You can share it on your social media like Facebook or Twitter, etc., so that your contacts can enjoy it.